Hello, this is Dan Hilsman with eXp Realty, and in today's video I'll be discussing new construction homes in Powder Springs, Georgia. Be sure to stay to the end of this video for a short, valuable bonus. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. New construction homes in Powder Springs, Georgia. I'll also be discussing moving to Atlanta, Georgia, and best places to live in Georgia, one of which I believe is Powder Springs, Georgia. Also, I'll be discussing Kyle Farms, a featured neighborhood, an award-winning featured neighborhood here in Powder Springs, Georgia. And I'm at Kyle Farms now. Powder Springs is about 30 to 40 minutes outside downtown Atlanta. In Powder Springs, we're about 15 to 20 minutes from 3 major hospitals, 15 to 20 minutes from 3 big malls, and close by in Powder Springs, Georgia, we also have the Avenues, which has specialty shops and great restaurants. Powder Springs has 2 high schools, one of which has a 9 out of 10 rating. Here are my 3 tips about new construction homes in Powder Springs. Number 1, as of this video, in July of 2021, currently there are 8 new neighborhoods being constructed in Powder Springs, Georgia. Number 2, price range. Currently, the price range in Powder Springs, Georgia for new construction is $342,000 to $934,000. Number 3, currently there are 20 active homes with new construction in Powder Springs, Georgia. There are many more coming soon homes and lots for sale that are about to hit the market. Here in Kyle Farms, Phase 3 has just opened, and they're releasing lots as we speak. Now for the bonus. Today I actually have 2 bonuses. Bonus number 1. Message me for a 1-page list of all builder incentives for new construction homes in Powder Springs. Number 2, about to take you for a tour of Kyle Farms. I'll do a little drive-by, show you some of the neighborhoods, show you all the amenities, and much, much more. Once again, I'm Dan Hilsman, and if you'd like to contact me, my contact information is listed below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. If you like this video and found value, click the boxes above. Remember, Dan's Real Estate Solutions, real solutions for all your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Now come on, let's go for a ride. Also, we'll start off here. That's a picture of the pool. That's a in the background you see the pool, playground. Right over that tree line, there's a park with a lake, softball, lacrosse, soccer, basketball, and walking trails. On the top of the hill here you have tennis courts, and just beyond those tennis courts is where you see Phase 3 getting ready to open. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's go for a ride and see some new homes in Kyle Farms. Okay, here at Kyle Farms also, they already have the model homes already built. And you can see this whole row of homes. 2, 3, 4. They have 4 of the model homes already built that you can walk in and tour. And they have did a great job of setting up the parking for future residents. And new construction home right there too. But beautiful neighborhood, Kyle Farms. Okay, so now I'm inside the pool area, and the clubhouse has a really nice workout room, also a nice dining area, nice meeting room inside Kyle Farms. So you can see a really nice little area out here to relax, get out of the sun after a hot day at the pool here at Kyle Farms. So this is a junior Olympic sized swimming pool. Up here on top of the hill, there's a great playground for the kids, sand volleyball court. Just beyond that tree line is a large park with a large lake, softball fields, walking trails, lacrosse field, soccer field, indoor gym, indoor basketball gym, and tennis courts. So that's all just a walk away from this great neighborhood. And as you can see, just beyond the top of the hill there, phase 3 is opening up. So they're going to have a lot of lots and building new homes here in Kyle Farms. But beautiful pool area. It's a junior Olympic sized swimming pool. This is just some of the amenities. They have a lot of other amenities here at Kyle Farms. I have those listed on the video. Beautiful clubhouse. Great workout area. And thank you for letting me show you Kyle Farms.